right now. They're giving us unprecedented access to this thing. We get to go up into the cockpit, sit left seat, obviously while it's on the ground. But we're about to take off here shortly and do a low flight above Charleston, and they're going to open up the back for us. So we'll probably be strapping in here soon. And we're about a month out now from the actual Charleston Air Show, which is going to be on April 19th and 20th. So we're getting a chance to come in here, take some pictures, kind of like a media day. And they also have a few people from the city coming here to join along on this event.
The compartment will pop out just like on an airline. You'll put it on the same way, so take it out, put it over your head, pull the straps tight. If the bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is still flowing. In the event of smoke or fumes, we have a EPOS, which is going to be in a green bag, and it's going to be underneath your seats for everybody on board. The way that's going to work is you're going to take it out of the bag, open it up. Contrary to popular belief, in this scenario, you do want to put the bag over your head. There is a canister on there with an orange or red ball. You're going to pull that, start the flow of oxygen, put it over your head. For ladies who have long hair, make sure your hair goes all the way in the bag so that you get a good seal. If it starts to collapse against your face, reach for another one, put it on, and we'll assist as necessary. We are going to be doing a low level opening up the cargo door ramp in flight. So in that scenario, if we need to, you have your LPUs here. On your outboard seats, those are going to be in the small of your back. On your inboard centerline seats, those are going to be your headrests, those yellow bags right there. They work just like on a commercial airline. So go ahead and put those over your head, take your strap, put them around your waist, and then you have the two red handles that you're going to pull and to inflate, and then make sure you don't do that until after you exit the aircraft.
Downtown. Went up. Downtown. Went up. Downtown. I want to save my soul.
Headed